Hello everyone, welcome to our today's video, which is about restaurant vocabulary. Today, we will learn several words related to restaurants. The first word is dessert. This is a noun, and its definition is sweet food eaten at the end of a meal.
Yummy.
Yes, it sounds delicious. Now let's see some examples by using the word dessert. I would love to eat desserts every single day of my life. For dessert, guests will have a variety of sugary confections. The second word is sommelier. This is a noun, and its definition is a wine expert who advises guests on ordering or pairing wines. Cheers! Now let's see the sentences. Our sommelier develops our wine list and orders the wines. If you do not know what wine to choose, ask a restaurant sommelier for recommendations. The third word is tip, which is a noun, and its definition is extra money given by a guest to a waiter or other staff. Money. Now let's see the sentences. If you had a great service, leave a big tip. Excellent waitresses get a lot of tip.
The following word is bill. It is a noun. Bill is the written amount you must pay for a meal and drinks. In the restaurant, we can use it to ask, "What is the total of the bill?" Or to say, "I invited you, so I paid the bill." Other important word is special. It is a noun, and it is a dish that's available sometimes, but isn't on the regular menu. For example, today's special is pork in pineapple sauce. Or, I don't like today's special. The following word is vegetarian. It is an adjective. It refers to dishes or diets that do not include animal products, especially meat. An example is, my doctor says I should switch to a vegetarian diet. Or, I am vegetarian since I was 15 years old.
The following words are waiter and waitress. Waiter is for a man and waitress refers to a woman. The definition of these nouns is a person who takes orders from guests and brings their food. Let's see some examples. The waiter served their drinks with a big smile. The waitress was taking his order very carefully. The next word is also a noun, and it is menu, which refers to the list of foods and drinks served in a restaurant. Some examples of sentences using this word are, there is so much variety in this menu that I can't choose.
Oh my God.
I want everything from the menu. Finally, let's see an adjective used to describe food. The word is savory. That refers to salty or spicy food rather than sweet. Some examples are, I love to eat my nuggets with savory sauce.
Delicious.
Make it savory.
Now, let's check pronunciation. Repeat after us.
Dessert. Bill.
Waiter or vegetarian. Menu. Tip. Special. Savory.